All right, just wanted to make a quick video showing how to repair the AC climate control on an old Mercedes. This is a W208, same, probably similar to the same eras, mostly all the same, but basically my auto buttons were not working. You don't have to dismantle it all the way like I did. This is if you want to replace bulbs, they're right here in the back, and then you just twist them out. To take the face off, I thought I had to, actually this one was a little bit more far gone, so I had to, let me focus on that, basically align it and glue it in place. Basically this was cracked down, so I had to kind of held it in place, and then I just used a glue gun, add a bit more backing there so it's super stable. This one I just left in there and I just put it in place. All right, put it in place and then just hot glue gun down there. Could be a quick, easy fix, 30 minutes of your time, a few cents in glue gun. Hopefully this helps somebody. All right, so actually how I popped it off is first you have to just kind of lift this clip out of the way, and then you got to push it through, but make sure you don't, I broke one of them, but you don't break these plastic tabs as you're pushing it through. Either I guess you can kind of pull this out of the way here and lift it. As you can see, you can pull the tabs out of the way and pull it out easier. I just forced and broke it. So for those who need to repair the auto button, push this in and then push it through.